Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to TECNO Pop 7. Firstly, you need to go into Play Store on both smartphones and install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. I will start with an Android. Tap on I agree at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the second one, I agree, Confirm, Continue, Allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Then tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and hit Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Pop 7, Also on Pop 7, click on one of those options to decide if you want to personalize your ad experience. You can tap on Yes, I agree or No, thanks. Wherever you decided, select Close this window and go back to an Android. Now, thanks to all of those categories available at the top, you can select multiple files that you wish to send, and then click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. I will go with couple of photos. Now click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect thanks to this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on TECNO Pop 7. Then click on While using the app or Only this time to allow camera access. And point your device's camera at the QR code. If you prefer to input this key, tap on Input key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And then select Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!